What's the meaning of Ben Nicholson? Ben Nicholson. Ben Nicholson.
Ben Nicholson. Ben Nicholson. Ben Nicholson was a prominent British artist who lived from 1894 to 1982. He is known for his contributions to the development of abstract art in Britain and is celebrated for his use of geometric shapes and forms. Nicholson's work often displays a refined simplicity that belies its complexity, and his work is characterized by a rigorous attention to detail. Nicholson was also involved with many of the major art movements of his era, including modernism, constructivism, and surrealism. His legacy continues to inspire artists and art lovers around the world, and he remains one of the defining figures of British modernism.